Welcome to the third episode. Today, we are diving into niche Goldmine, how to find your irresistible YouTube niche that pays. This is step one of the YMSG. That's the YouTube monetization strategy generator. I am just so thrilled you are here because today we are basically embarking on what might be the most important treasure hunt of your digital life. We are stripping away all the guesswork and using a premium, completely data driven framework to find that highly profitable corner of the internet where you can truly dominate. By the end of this episode, you are going to have the exact tool to stop guessing and start building a strategic high income asset that actually works. All right, let's get right into it. Let's kick things off by confronting a pretty hard truth right up front. Most creators pick niches that are either too broad, attracting no one, or too small, making zero money, right? This is exactly why so many creators struggle. They are staring at stagnant analytics and zero revenue months after launching, treating their content like a lottery ticket, just hoping anything will magically go viral. But what if I told you there is a systematic proven way to find a hyper profitable niche that perfectly aligns with your passion and practically guarantees market demand? Well, that's exactly what the niche gold mine is all about. So here is our roadmap for today. First, the problem with bad niches. Second, input one, passion and skill. Third, input two, market demand. Fourth, the YMSG sweet spots. Fifth, faceless channel application. And finally, number six, your action step. All right, let's jump straight into section one, the problem with bad niches. You see, before we can find the gold mine, we've got to identify the landmines. Yes, sir. And there are really three core traps that kills channels right on the one. Trap number one, going way too broad. If you launch a generic gaming or lifestyle channel right now, man, you are entering a massive, insanely crowded market. It's almost impossible to stand out, and your audience is just way too scattered to actually monetize. Trap number two is kind of the exact opposite, going too small or unprofitable. Like, you might absolutely love making tutorials on, I don't know, extremely iron, but is there a rare audience out there willing to buy products or courses related to it? Yeah, probably not. You've got zero buyer demand. And trap number three, having no clear transformation. If your audience doesn't instantly know what specific value or outcome they are getting from your content, they just leave confused. And let's be real, confused viewers don't subscribe, they don't buy, and they certainly not come back. You literally become entirely forgettable. So we have to avoid these traps at all costs. Which brings us to the section two, input number one, passion, and skill. To find your gold mine, we need the raw material right? This is the emotional, human foundation of your entire strategy. So I want you to brainstorm here without filtering anything. Think about your hobbies, things like gardening, painting, or maybe astronomy. What's about your hard skills? Coding, graphics, design, public speaking, cooking, you name it. Consider your deep interest too. You know, those things you can read about for hours on end, like history, true crime, on minimalism, lived experiences. Did you successfully overcome massive debts? Did you did you navigate moving abroad? Your unique background, the actual life you've lived so far, that is or your starting point. This right here is the what's of your channel. Let's get you actually participating right now. Ask yourself, what is the first thing you think of? Write down everything that comes to mind. Seriously, don't hold back. Don't judge the ideas yet. Just get them out of your head and onto the paper. Gathering this raw material or data is exactly how you begin building your own strategic blueprints. It all starts with getting those initial ideas completely out of the open. Moving right along to section 3, input 2, market demand. Now, now that you've got your passion on paper, we have to shift gears. We are moving from emotional side to the heavily analytic data driven side. We really need to identify the who and the why they buy or they pay. Because let's face it, a passion only becomes profitable when there is a validated, measurable demand. Here is the precise four-step validation process you need to use. First up, YouTube search. Type in those passions you just wrote down. Are their channels getting views right now? Are the comments actually active and engaged? Second, check Google Trends. Is the overall interest in this topic growing over time or it's kind of flattering? Third, lean heavily into audience insight. Use keyword tools to see the exact phrase people are actively typing into the search bar. And finally, focus on problem solving and desire performance. What exact painful problems can you solve within this topic? Always remember this rule. People eagerly pay for solutions to their problems. Actually, let's stop for just a second. Think about a channel you you watch regularly. What specific topic do they cover? I can almost guarantee it's not just general entertainment. It's highly specific. And that specificity is the actual key to their success, their massive growth, and their monetization. They are fulfilling a very specific desire or solving a very specific problem for a very, very specific group of people. Yes, sir. All right. Section 4, the YMSG sweet spot. Okay. So this is our ultimate goal, niche gold mine. The exact intersection where passion plus skill plus market demand plus transformation meet. This formula right here, this is how you create a high income asset. Synthesizing this data point is what reveals the hidden opportunity. And look, if you mix any one of these four crucial pieces, the whole system just breaks down. You absolutely need to love it. You need to be good at it. And people have to actively want it. And it must offer a tangible, real world outcome to the viewer. Yes, sir. Let's actually see this in action because it's pretty cool. If your passion is baking, starting a generic baking channel is just way too high, too broad. Drilling down to sourdough bread is definitely better, but honestly, it's still fairly crowded. But listen to this, Mitch Goldmine. Gluten-free sourdough baking for busy professionals. You heard that right. Wow. Do you see the power in that specificity? It takes a popular topic, combines it with a highly specific dietary need, and then squarely targets a demographic that has both major time constraints and high disposable income. That's right. There is the literal definition of a highly profitable micro niche. And the best part, when you run your raw ideas into the YMSG system, you don't just walk away with some vague suggestions. No, sir. You get premium, highly actionable business assets. The system outputs 3 to 5 fully validated niche ideas. It gives you a detailed target audience profile so you know exactly who you are speaking to in every single video. It provides a crystal clear problem and solution statement for your entire channel, making sure your value proposition is always incredibly obvious. And impressively enough, it even gives you a monetization potential score. So you know upfront if this niche can actually generate serious revenue for you. Basically, you completely validated your chosen path before you ever spend time recording a single second of content. Now, for section 5, faceless channel application. Let's apply this directly to off camera strategy because you absolutely do not need to show your face to build a highly profitable digital asset. Say your YMSG input is a passion for mindfulness and you identify a high market demand for stress relief. The system outputs a hyper specific niche guided meditations for deep sleep. Now, for content, you can utilize incredibly calming voiceover paired with binaural beats, or maybe morning affirmations layered over beautiful, high quality, relaxing stock footage. And the monetization, it's just brilliant. You can leverage affiliate links for premium sleep marks and sell your own guided audio packs as high margin digital products. It's a premium, highly profitable business model that stays 100% faceless from start to finish. And finally, section 6, your action step. We have covered an immense amount of strategic ground today, but learning without doing is really just entertainment. So I'm going to leave you with one vital question. Are you ready to take 10 minutes right now to list your passions, skills, and market demand programs to prepare for your step two. Seriously, grab a piece of paper and start building your foundation. Right out. Finding your niche gold mine is the difference between shouting into the void and speaking directly to an audience that is prime, ready to engage, subscribe, and buy. Do the work today because in our next episode, we are unlocking algorithm alchemy to generate unlimited content for this irresistible niche you are about to discover. So, will you be the creator who guesses or the one who knows? Thank you so much for learning with me, and I will see you in the next episode.